This is Star Wars 22910. Let's do this thing. Good luck to everybody. Again, we're fresh off hitting one of the best cards in the entire product. Why not hit another one? You know what I'm saying? Just let's get another best card in the product. I don't need that. I don't need this either, I don't think. All right, good luck. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Craig. Bottom is Craig. It's 5 times. Where is my knife? It's on the floor. Not a great place for it. All right, let's do this thing. So the order goes 2 for Craig, 1 for Rob, 2 for Dino, 1 for Glenn, 2 for Dino, Rob, then Craig. All right, we'll start with Glenn. Good luck, Glenn. First up. When we get to the hits, let's get another Superfractor. The Heiress, Bo-Katan plans the route with the rest of the crew, and Aura Singh, Refractor. Next up, Rob. Good luck, Rob. Palpatine in his duel with Yoda. And a gold to 50 of Fourth Sister. Hello, Andrew. Take one for Rob. Let's get straight to the hits. Darth Vader, Galaxy Gear, and Toro Calican. So no order yet. Next is Craig with 3. The Grand Inquisitor. Palpatine. And a 109 Uncle Owen. Finally for Craig. Oh, auto 13. Verlo Skiff. That is Stephen White as Verlo Skiff. What a head. Bo-Katan and R2-D2. Nice one there for Craig. Finally, we have my friend and yours, Dino, with 4. Let's get another Superfractor, hey? Cassian Andor and 99, Lizzo. I'm gonna need a sentimental woman to come beat up. Taladirth. Nothing doing, which makes sense considering we've got 3 hits in the pack earlier. This is not yet. This is Chewbacca. And to 10, a very nice Fennec Shand. 2 of 10. And that is that for Dino. Very nice Fennec Shand to just 10 there. Good box again. 22910.